On today's nature walk, we're taking a walk in a forest at the Dandenong Ranges National Park, just past the eastern suburbs of the city of Melbourne. This amazing national park is a cool, temperate rainforest full of tree ferns, all growing under towering eucalypts of mountain ash. There's a lot of water which drains off these small foothills, the Dandenong Ranges, and these little creeks are full of native crayfish and also some small fish which have been introduced to the country, freshwater gambusia, a live bearer that's gotten just about everywhere. But these forests have got walks where you can just lose yourself in nature with almost no one else around. And you are guaranteed to see wildlife. And at the end of this video we will see a spectacular native Australian animal. So stick around to see that. Meanwhile, come along with me as we see the sights of this beautiful part of Australia. If you've ever wondered why a rainforest is called a rainforest, it's because it does get a lot of rain. And with that rain comes a lot of runoff and a lot of water. So these Dandenong Ranges are very moist and damp, very mossy, and it is a beautiful, cool place to come to in the heat of an Australian summer. And many thousands of people will come up to these Dandenong Ranges on the weekends to escape the heat and just cool down and look at these spectacular sights. When those summer weekends do come around, these picnic areas are jam-packed full of people, and these undercover barbecue huts are usually packed and people are having a fantastic time eating, having fun with family and listening to the magnificent sounds of the Australian bush. The sounds of birds are usually continuous and everywhere, and birds are what we're going to see right now. These are the spectacular crimson rosellas, which you're guaranteed to see virtually every day here around these picnic grounds. What incredibly brightly coloured little birds these are. Just spectacular. So what are the birds that you see every day in the cities where you live? Tell us down below in the comments. Thank you so much for coming with me on today's nature walk, and we hope to see you on another video about nature coming up.